serve it ancient city style. Talk it out, babble on. Battle for your life, Babylon. That's gossip. What you on? Money don't talk. Rip that song. Gossip. Babble on. Battle for your life, Babylon. Babylon. Gossip, gossip. Babylon. Gossip, gossip. Babylon. Gossip, gossip. Babylon.
Bodies moving like a sculpture on the top of Tower of Babel tonight. We are climbing up to heaven, speaking languages and all blood palpable life. It's the thing that you bring, that you bring, that you bring. Him, you and me.
That's gossip. Strut it out, walk a mile, serve it ancient city style. Talk it out, babble on. Battle for your life, Babylon. That's gossip. What you on? Money don't talk. Rip that song. Gossip. Babble on. Battle for your life, Babylon. Babylon. Gossip, gossip. Babylon. Gossip, gossip. Babylon. Gossip, gossip. Babylon. Battle for your life, Babylon. Strut it out, walk a mile, serve it ancient city style. Talk it out, babble on. Battle for your life, Babylon. That's gossip. What you on? Money don't talk. Rip that song. Gossip. Babble on. Battle for your life, Babylon. Strut it out, walk a mile, serve it ancient city style. Talk it out, babble on. Battle for your life, Babylon. That's gossip. What you on? Money don't talk. Rip that song. Gossip. Babble on. Battle for your life, Babylon.
Comment t'es sur le tatami quand t'es pas caché, quand t'as pas d'amis. Ton kimono est un pyjama, ton kimono est un pyjama. Ton kimono est un pyjama, ton kimono est un pyjama. Ton kimono est un pyjama, ton kimono est un pyjama. Comment t'es sur le tatami quand t'es pas caché, quand t'as pas d'amis. Ton kimono est un pyjama, ton kimono est un pyjama. Ton kimono est un pyjama, ton kimono est un pyjama. Ton kimono est un pyjama, ton kimono est un pyjama. Sur le tatami, quand t'es pas caché, quand t'as pas d'amis. Ton kimono est un pyjama, ton kimono est un pyjama. Ton kimono est un pyjama, ton kimono est un pyjama. Ton kimono est un pyjama, ton kimono est un pyjama. Comment t'es sur le tatami, quand t'es pas caché, quand t'as pas d'amis. Ton kimono est un pyjama, ton kimono est un pyjama. Ton kimono est un pyjama, ton kimono est un pyjama. Ton kimono est un pyjama, ton kimono est un pyjama. Quand t'es pas caché, quand t'as pas d'amis, ton kimono est un pyjama, ton kimono est un pyjama. Comment t'es sur le tatami, quand t'es pas caché, quand t'as pas d'amis, ton kimono est un pyjama, ton kimono est un pyjama. Comment t'es sur le tatami, quand t'es pas caché, quand t'as pas d'amis, ton kimono est un pyjama, ton kimono est un pyjama. Comment t'es sur le tatami, quand t'es pas caché, quand t'as pas d'amis, ton kimono est un pyjama, ton kimono est un pyjama.
Sur le tatami, quand t'es pas caché, quand t'as pas d'amis. Ton kimono est un pyjama, ton kimono est un pyjama.
Ton kimono est un pyjama, ton kimono est un pyjama. Ton kimono est un pyjama, ton kimono est un pyjama. Comment
Jeste podgočveni, deca?
Jesmo, kapetane!
Ne slišim vam!
Na zapovjed, kapetane!
Ko živi u ananasu na dnu mora.
Buža Bob, skockani!
Moje rumeni poroze se sti!
Sunđer Bob, kockaloni!
Ako sakate pomorski budalaštini ludi!
Onda na palubi ko riba zeba.
Skuči kvadratnik! Sunje Bob Dalonovski! Buža Bob, skockali!
Sunđer Bob, kockaloni! Sunđer Bob, kockaloni!
Hello everyone and welcome to Dragoslavia! Wow, 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 wow. Let me see you in the chats. Let me see you in the chats. Let me see you on the beach. Let me see you everywhere. How are we feeling? Are we feeling hot? Are we feeling gorgeous? Are we feeling cute? Are we feeling entertained and amused? Are we refreshed? It is very important in this day and age, in this climate, to stay very hydrated. So I would advise you all, if you haven't already, take a little sip, refill your cups, preferably champagne, but if you don't have champagne, lemon juice will do just fine. Because we need y'all to stay hydrated, because tonight we have 5 performances for you, 5 hot, sweaty performances that you're gonna love and enjoy and get your jush from. Just how I'm getting my jush on this lovely beach on the Azure coast. I know the green screen is acting up, but let's just ignore that and let's feel the fantasy, alright? And you can also feel your fantasy even if you're in your room, just like I am right now. And what's stopping me, bitch? I'm fully in France. Is Azure coast in France? I think it is. I think I know my geography somehow. How are we feeling, bitches, in the chats? Plastica is here. I see you, Plastica. How's the flight? Miss Plastica is traveling. Kvalsna Ruža, hello. Hello, Dagger. Hello, Leila Tsbgd. Hello, Carmen Dash. Hello, Fake Gamerka. Hello, Little C Blob. Hello, Babsi Adler. Hello, Riri Anna. There's a lot of people here tonight, and let me tell you, y'all are now ready for these queens. I'm very excited, and I hope you are as well. I can see you are, because there's a lot of shit going on in this chat, more than before. I can't follow. I'm so sweaty. Let me tell you something. Drag in summer, it's not a good idea. I mentioned this before, but like, sis, it's not 40 degrees outside, but it's like 39.9. So, it's a struggle. My lashes are like falling off from the sweat. I'm soon gonna have like 4 pairs of eyebrows, even though I have none. So, bear with me and bear with us, the drag queens. Yes. And we are here to entertain you, so let's do that. But before that, I have a few disclaimers. Oh, wow. So disclaimer number 1 is that I'm gonna be talking in English just because I'm a polite little lady and I want all of us to understand each other. At least, you can understand me. The other bitches, who cares? Just kidding. So I'm gonna be talking in English just because, we have people from Macedonia, people from Slovenia, Serbia, Croatia, Bosnia, Kosovo, Montenegro, from all around the world. And, some of us may not understand each other in our own national languages, and that's fine. So I'm just gonna be talking in English for the sake of simplicity. Next disclaimer is, there is a possibility of the crashing of the stream. So if in any case, at any moment, you just see the stream go dark, don't fret. It just takes a couple of seconds to reboot the OBS Twitch Labs stream, whatever. And I'll be right back with you, because this was happening in the past. I don't know if it will happen now, but, just putting it out there. What else do we have? Yeah, of course, we have... we're gonna have, throughout the performances, there's gonna be like little banners on the bottom of each queen's performance. So if you like a queen, if you want to support her drag, if you want to support her journey, if you want to support your local artists, make sure to, first off, follow them on Instagram. And then if you're feeling extra generous, there's gonna be PayPal accounts listed in these banners as well. And you can, donate some cents, some euros, some kunas, dinari, dollari, denari, marke konvertibilne, sve mi to volimo. You know, even if it's just like 3 cents, I'm gonna live for that. Please help me. Okay, I think the disclaimers are done. That was fast and effortless and very what's the word? Proficient? She's a proficient lady. Yes, we love words that start with P, such as Petra HD. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Tonight, joining me as your lovely co-host is none other than Eric Dagger. And she is our Slovenian drag king / drag queen commodity. Is that a real word? I don't know if I just invented that, but you know, it is a word now. So, she's gonna be co-hosting, she's gonna be announcing the performers. So, let's get it on. Are we ready? Do we have our drinks ready? Do we have our lemons ready? I do. And let's see from Miss Eric Dagger who our first performer is. Oh wow!
Hello darlings, how are ya? Welcome to Yugoslavia. My name is Dagger. I am Eric's unfortunate sister and I will be one of your co-hosts for the evening. So darlings, how are you feeling this summer? I'm positively hot. Oh, and the sun is shining on my beautiful eyes, but I have to take off these glasses so you can see this beautiful beat face. If you're wondering where I am, darlings, I'm in Monte Carlo, enjoying the money, the alcohol, and the casinos, and the rich playboys who buy everything for me. Cheers.
Okay.
Petra asked me to be your co-host for the evening, and though I have such a busy schedule, I could not let my dumb-witted brother, Eric, to be your co-host and ruin everything and drag our lovely family name to the ground. Mother would be so disturbed. Znate šta, prijatelji moji? My name is motherfucking Eric. I am the motherfucking son of Aphrodite, the Greek goddess of love. I have to share the stupid spotlight with my fucking sister Dagger because Mama told me that I have to share all my toys. So, pičku mater. Are you motherfucking ready for this motherfucking queen? Cause she is the best! Woo! Kvarcna ruža, spaljena na lomači, vraćena iz mrtvih zahvaljujući sestrama iz House of Plastics. Inspiraciju pronalazi u vašim strahovima, ali također u Divine and Terry Mugler. Mwah! Možete je vidjeti u čošku vaše sobe tokom paralize sna između 2 i 3 ujutru. Kako voguje uz Jutro je od Nade Topagić. Mwah! My kind of woman. See you soon.
Baby, this is what you came for. Lightning strikes every time she moves, and everybody's watching her, but she's looking at you. Watching her, but she's looking at
is what you came for. Lightning strikes every time she moves. This is what you came for. Lightning strikes every time she moves. And everybody's watching her, but she's looking at
Dobro jutro svima, Kvarcna ovde. Zbog čitavog haosa koji se trenutno dešava u Beogradu, nisam u mogućnosti da vas pozdravim uživo, ali, zahvaljujući tehnologije, možemo se čujemo i ovako. Što se tiče mene, možda me znate sa neke sahrane, možda i ne, ali sada ste me upoznali sigurno. I verovatno se pokajali, ali dobro. Želim da pozdravim tetku iz Linca, sestru iz Bosne i Hercegovine i mog bivšeg muža koji mi duguje 2 alimentacije. Javi se. Što se Dragoslavije tiče, pa, sve najbolje. I da uživamo u ovoj letnjoj šizofreniji i da rušimo kapitalistički sistem. Srdačan pozdrav, smrt fašizmu, vaš omiljen demon, paralize sna, Kvarcna, za prijatelje, Ruška. Živeli!
Honey? Oh, honey. Can we please have a huge applause in the chats for Miss fucking Kvarcna Ruža? Amazing, stunning, gorgeous. I am so sweaty right now. I'm so sweaty. I'm like so hot right now. Like, sis, she just, she resurrected all of my, what's the sweat thingies. I'm very sweaty. I love you, Kvarcna. Mwah, 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 mwah. How are we feeling though? Did we enjoy ourselves? Do we have some nice things to say to our lovely queen? I don't see enough applauses in the chats, and I have to say I'm very perturbed by this behavior. So I want to see more. I want to see more love. I want to see more support. And I want to see more happiness and joy. And speaking about happiness and joy, just like Kvarcna mentioned, we are not living in the times of happiness and joy currently, as we can see in Serbia and Belgrade, more specifically, with the huge protests that are happening right now. Not just because of the COVID-19 outbreak, but also because of the general state in the country of Serbia. Some of you may not know, but I was actually born in Serbia, and I was raised and lived there for 19 years or something like that. So Serbia is kind of my home country, It is my home country, bitch. And I feel just very worried about what is happening right now in Serbia, and I bet many of you are as well. So I would just invite everyone who is watching us right now from Serbia that I want you to know that we stand behind you. And I think it's important now more than ever to say no and to make your voices heard and to make your opinions heard and to go out and to protest for change, because we are way past the change that we needed. The 21st century has failed us. It's not working. The system is not working, and it's not just evident in Serbia. It's evident in Bulgaria. It's evident in Poland. It's evident in Slovenia. It's evident in America. It's evident in Venezuela. It's evident in Hong Kong. It's evident in Iran, in Yemen, all over the world. Not to be too much of a downer in this lovely weather, but yes, I just want you all to demand the change that we need desperately in the world. And speaking of change, we have a big change on our Slovenian drag scene because a new drag queen has sprouted from the soil, from the fresh Triglav soil. Her name is Elektra von Lux, and she is our next performer. Are we ready to feel stunned again? Elektra von Lux is actually our youngest queen. She doesn't want her age to be announced, so you know we will not do that. You can go ask her, slide into her DMs. That's what Gen Zers say now, isn't that right? Slide into my DMs. I don't know, some of that shit. Slide into her DMs to ask her how old is she. So she prides herself that she's a look queen. You know, she always brings looks. She's attracted by retro fashion, and she's all in all just a stunning queen whose performance I'm sure you will love. So without any further ado, because I've talked for way too much, Elektra von Lux, give it up for this sickening bitch.
You call me on the telephone, you feel so far away. You tell me to come over, there's some games you wanna play. I'm walking to your house, nobody's home, just me and you and me alone. We're just playing hide and seek, it's getting hard to breathe under the sheets with you. I don't wanna play no games, I'm tired of always chasing after you. I don't give a fuck about you anyways. Whoever said I give a shit about you? You never share your toys or communicate. I guess I'm just a play date to you. Wake up in your bedroom and there's nothing left to say. When I try to talk, you're always playing board games. I wish I had Monopoly over your mind. I wish I didn't care all the time. We're just playing hide and seek, it's getting hard to breathe under the sheets with you. I don't wanna play no games, I'm tired of always chasing after you. I don't give a fuck about you anyways. Whoever said I give a shit about you? You never share your toys or communicate. I guess I'm just a play date to you. Ring around the rosy. I never know what you need. Ring around the rosy. I wanna give you what you need. I don't give a fuck about you anyways. Whoever said I gave a shit about you? You never share your toys or communicate. I guess I'm just a play date to you. You know I give a fuck about you every day. Guess it's time that I tell you the truth. If I share my toys, will you let me stay? Don't wanna leave this play date with you.
Hi, I'm Elektra von Lux from Slovenia. I'm proudly announcing that I'm the youngest queen here in the Dragoslavia family. We are gonna call it family. And I'm not gonna announce how old I am because they will kick me out, bitch. I really don't want that because I'm here to make that coin, sis. I'm broke as hell if you didn't guessed. All this jewelry, all this buffoonery, all of this is from dollar stores. My drag aesthetic is all about retro and modern fashion and arts, as you can see. I also love sewing. I sew this top. But as a queen, I am very retro and very fashionista. And in general, I love being very quirky and campy. Yugoslavia is very important to me because it gave me a stage to perform on, and it gave me publicity. Thank you so much for your support, and also if you want to give the girl some coin, you can go PayPal me on PayPal me electra.von.lux.
Please give it up for this fucking hoe. This was her first ever drag performance. Can you believe? Can we get some hearts in the chats? Can we get some applause in the chats? Well done, Miss Things. Stunning. I'm so excited about you, Miss Electra von Lux. I'm so excited to see what more you will bring to the table and what more exciting things you will do in the future, because I think you're lovely and I stan you, my Slovenian sis. Yes! We all stan each other. That's the attitude of 2020 that we need to pursue, to stan each other more. More love, less hate, more support. Okay, can we do that? I think we can do that. I think we're ready. I think we're in the right mental state, you know. I think it's the new energy of the 2020 that we need to pursue. Just loving each other and loving ourselves, and less depression and more love and less war and more peace. I love the summer. I love the summer when the sun is shining on my skin, just like these LED lights are not shining enough light on this green screen to cover the patches. But that is a-okay. Speaking of the summer, do you guys want some fun facts? Because I have prepared more fun facts for you. And tonight we're gonna be talking about the hottest temperatures ever recorded in each ex-Yugoslav republic. How exciting! A geography lesson! Okay, let's start with Serbia. So, the highest recorded temperature in Serbia was recorded on the day of 24th of July 2007 in Smederevska Palanka. Can you imagine 44.9 degrees of Celsius? That's how hot it was. And that's how hot this wig feels right now. So Smederevska Palanka, I share your pain. Now let's go to Croatia. And for Croatia, the hottest recorded temperature was recorded on the 5th August of 1981 in the small town of Ploče. Now if you ask me where the fuck that is, it's probably some island in the Adriatic Sea, but I'm not 100% sure, so don't quote me on this. And the degrees were 42.8 degrees of Celsius. Stunning! That's like how I'm feeling right now. You know, my body is 42.8 and my wig is 44.9, and I love that for me. And you know what also I love? I love stunning queens who perform well and who are here to entertain the audience. And our next queen, actually, she's just here to talk to you guys. You know, she's here to grace you with her presence. And I don't think she needs any announcement except for Vlažena. Ow!
Dobro večer, izvolite.
Dobro večer, Vlažena, mi smo iz Vogue-a. Došli smo da vam postavimo 69 pitanja.
Slobodno.
Izgledate fenomenalno večeras.
Znam, hvala.
Koja je najbolja stvar koja vam se dogodila danas?
Jelena Krleuša me pozvala na kafu, ali zbog vas ne morala da je odbijem.
A koja je najgora frizura koju ste do sada imali?
To možete pitati Kvarcinu Ružu.
Koja je navika koju sada imate, a voljeli biste da ste s njom počeli mnogo ranije?
Sex on the beach.
Omiljena aktivnost?
Fotografisanje.
Omiljena izreka?
I tebe je neprijatno gledati.
Koja je najgora stvar koju si pojela iz prijatnosti?
Tuđe mišljenje.
Šta najviše volite da čitate?
Kataloge.
Šta je najgluplja stvar oko koje si se raspravljala?
Oko toga da li sam najlepša ili ne.
Šta ste u horoskopu?
Zmija.
U kom čudnom mirisu uživate?
Ljubomori.
U koji modni trend te najviše tjera na smijanje?
Hashtag no filter.
Koji je tvoj skriveni talent?
O tome možemo da pričamo u 4 zida.
Twitter ili Instagram?
Instagram?
Da imaš neku super moć, koja bi to bila?
Pa znaš kako, da pomogu svojim kolegnicama da se bolje šminkaju.
Koja je posljednja osoba kojoj ste poslali poruku?
Na Instagramu?
Da.
Kim Kardashian da mi vrati periku, bilo bi vreme.
Šta biste uradili kada bi vam Ospraga poslala poruku?
Dobila bi sin.
Koja stvar radite bolje od 90% ljudi?
Pa, zar to nije očigledno?
Koliko vam treba vremena?
Čaj, izvinite što vas prekidam.
Da, naravno, uvek.
Dobro, šta ste rekli?
Koliko vremena vam treba da se spremite? Za vaš nastup ili izlazak?
Evo, dok vi popijete čaj, ja ću već biti gotova. See you soon. Gotova. Prelazim u neku sobu.
Vlažena, šta je bolje polomljeno nego čitalo?
Onda...
Šta bi ocenila 10 od 10?
Sebe.
Koji citat te najbolje opisuje?
Lepo samo.
U kojoj vrsti umjetnosti najviše uživaš?
Minimalističkoj.
Kako se opuštaš posle napornog dana?
U gradu sa drugaricama. Molim.
Gdje si to?
Na snimanju.
Kako na snimanju i zašto ja nisam pozvana?
Pa mama, moraš meni dopustiti da nekad budem u centru pažnje.
Ali želim i ja, ti si uvijek u centru pažnje.
Ne, ti si uvijek u centru pažnje.
Nemoj da se svađaš pred mnome.
Ja moram da prekinem sada. Izvini, ćao, čujemo se. Strašno.
Opišite svoj haos.
Pristojna Srbija.
Šta vam najteže pada u vašem poslu?
Alexis.
Mišljenje o drugim drag kraljicama.
Sljedeće pitanje.
A šta drag čini jedinstvenim?
Ja.
Ko te inspiriše da budeš bolja?
Paris Hilton.
Koju grešku uporno ponavljaš?
To što verujem ljudima.
Koji je najbolji poklon koji si dobila?
Ljubav, vera i pažnja. Od svoje majke. Od svoje majke. Kao molim vas da me ne prekidate dok dajem intervju.
Ako bi tvoj život bio knjiga, koji bi bio naslov?
Ima toliko naslova koji bi mogli da budu na mojoj knjizi, a jedan od njih bi bio Žena zmija, sedi za šankom.
Ako bi morala da promijeniš svoje ime, kako bi se zvala?
A ovo zamislim. Pa... Beba.
Kada ljudi gledaju tebe, šta misliš o čemu razmišljaju?
Koliko?
A šta bi im ti odgovorila na to?
Puno košta.
Na koja dva tipa ljudi bi podijelila ljude u svijetu?
Na one koji nemaju ukusa i na one koji me vole, definitivno.
Koji je vaš porok?
Pažnja.
Koju laž najčešće koristiš?
Dobila sam.
Šta tvom životu daje značaj?
Mom životu što daje značaj? Highlighter.
Oko čega si najviše nesigurna u životu?
Kako je to pitanje?
Koja je najilegalnija stvar koju si uradila?
Možda to što sam se rodila.
O kojoj temi bi mogla da pričaš 20 minuta bez prestanka?
Isključiti. Ovo zvuči toliko odvratno. Idemo ponovo. Nemam ništa sitno. Šta treba? Dobro večer.
Dobro večer, Blažena. Mi smo iz Volga došli.
Ajde.
Dobro večer. Da li je to Blažena?
Blažena!
Koja je najbolja stvar koja vam se dogodila danas?
Hoćete prvo sesti pa da mi postavljate pitanja? Kao... Ne. Ne znam da li smem da vam kažem. Ali... Kim Kardashian. Ozbiljite se, molim vas, da nastavimo. Dakle, posljednju Snimajte posljednju poruku.
Omiljena, koja je navika koju sada imate, a voljeli biste da ste s njom počeli mnogo ranije?
Ostroga ćuti, snimamo. Instagram.
Da imaš neku... Ne valja.
Niste zatvorili vrata. To isključi sad.
Can we have a big standing ovation for Miss Vlažena Marija? Iconic, legendary, never the same, and all that good shit. And uploads in the chats, please. Uploads, uploads, uploads. Vlažena, she is one of those queens where you're like, I'm not sure if I wanna be her or if I wanna fuck her. But in my case, I wanna do both. Oh wow! Just putting it out into the universe, and I'm sure most of you want to do the same, but the truth is, like Skin Bro said in the chats, you can't even sit with Vlažena. So, you know, it is what it is. I know we're all jealous to be that sickening, iconic, and beautiful, and you know what? You can be. You can be. Just slide into Vlažena's DMs. I'm sure she will hit you up with all of that good shit. Bravo, 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 bravo. We stand talent and gorgeousness and beauty. Nah. Okay. Are we ready to hear some more hot facts? Miss Ting, this green screen is like not having it today. I don't even know what's wrong. I mean, I know what's wrong. Like, it's cheap equipment. Which is another thing that I forgot to mention in the beginning. Is that like Dragoslavia really is just like a personal project of us queens. Like, we are not an organization, as you can probably see. If we were an organization, my green screen probably wouldn't be acting up this much right now. It's really just like all of us local drag queens from all across the ex-Yugoslav republics coming together, working together, trying to entertain y'all, you know, trying to make the drag scene happen on the Balkans, because we feel there's so much talent, so much unexplored drag talent on the Balkans, and we feel like it's a shame that this is not celebrated more, and this is what we're trying to achieve. So, because the drag scene literally does not exist here on the Balkans, we're doing everything ourselves. Everything that you see, all the graphics, all the posters, all the promotions, everything is by us. Not just by the queens who are directly involved in a specific show, but like also other queens working from the background, you know, trying to make this all happen. So I would just love to encourage you all to support each and every queen as much as you can, even if it's just like liking her comments, liking her pictures, commenting on her posts. You know, that means, that should mean the world to us, and it helps us, you know, feel that this is worth something, and it keeps us going, it keeps us pushing, it keeps us thriving, even in this 40 degrees. Speaking of degrees, the hottest temperature recorded ever in Montenegro was in Podgorica on the 16th of August 2007, when they recorded 44.8 degrees Celsius. That is correct. That is 0.1 degree lower than what was recorded in Serbia. Fun fact, right? Oh my god, what a coinky dinky. So, next up is Slovenia. The highest recorded temperature in Slovenia was at... Bitch, I don't know what this place is. I wrote it down, but like, I'm supposed to be Slovenian. I don't know where the fuck this is. Cerklje ob Krki. Like, I know where Krka is, but like, it's a river, so like, it's a long river. You know, it could be anywhere, if you ask me. Anyways, on the 8th of August 2013, they recorded 40.8 degrees of Celsius, which makes Slovenia the coldest ex-Yugoslav country. Oh, wow, fun facts all around. And I couldn't find any data for Kosovo. I just found that the hottest city on average is Prizren. So I hope that will do. If any Kosovo queens can slide into my DMs and give me some data on which is the highest recorded temperature in Kosovo, I would very much appreciate it, because I'm here to bring you the truth, okay? I'm here with the facts, and I'm not here to mess around with the temperature. Speaking of temperature, I think we're ready to amp up the temperature in this room. Do you agree? Do you feel the same? Do you feel your blood going cold from all of this lemons that are freshly cut and cooling you? Are you cool with your drinks in your arms?
You know what? The next performer is the one, the only Riri Star. Ona je beogradska kraljica koja sa svojim šarmantnim plesovima i kostimima koje sama pravi osvoji cijeli svet. So, sit back, relax i uživajte u nastupu koji će ova predivna dama da daje sad.
All along it was a fever, a cold sweat, hot-headed believer. Round and around and around and around we go. Oh, now tell me now, tell me now, tell me now, you know. Not really sure how to feel about it. Something in the way you move makes me feel like I can't live without you. It takes me all the way. I want you to stay. Cause I need this whole gone. Funny, you're the broken one, but I'm the only one who needed saving. Cause when you never see the light, it's hard to know which one of us is caving. Not really sure how to feel about it. Something in the way you move makes me feel like I can't live without you. It takes me out the way. I want you to stay. Whatever it is, it's just laughing at me, and I just wanna scream. What now? I just can't figure it out. What now?
She popped! She said, what now? Who knows? You know? It's very topical of Miss Riri Star to say, what now, world? Can we give a big round of applause for this sickening queen? Riri Star, applause, applause, applause in the chat. Hearts, she really was the bomb. Yes, she was. Yes, she was the bomb. She said, I'm gonna drop this bomb of what now? I'm gonna leave you all thinking. What now? What happens now? Nobody knows. You're gonna have to slide into her DMs. You're gonna have to follow her on Instagram to find out the rest of the story. And that's just the truth. Miss Riri Star, I fucking love you. I fucking stan you. Look, we have the same wig. Oh, what a coincidence. Yeah, wow. Are we drunk yet? It's been 45 minutes, y'all. And we are coming very close to our last performance. I know it's a shorter show today, but you know, it's a summer. Nobody can be bothered being in full drag for an hour and a half. You know what I mean? And so this is a bit of a shorter show, you know? Short and sweet. Just like this drink that I'm having right now, and I hope you're having one as well. So, before we close the show, I want to see claps in the chat that I'm already seeing. I love that. I love the strong arms. Sermala is giving me mišići. Imaš mišiće da otvoriš vrata I da staviš aplauz. Ti sada u chat. Oh, she's a poetry queen. Okay, not also is she a poetry queen, she's also a geographical queen. And she's here to bring you facts and science. And speaking of science, the highest recorded temperature in North Macedonia was 45.7 degrees of Celsius. It was recorded in Demir Kapia on 24th of July 2007. And the last remaining country that we didn't talk about yet is Bosnia and Herzegovina. And the highest temperature recorded in Bosnia was 46.2 degrees of Celsius. It was recorded in Mostar on 31st of July 1901, which makes Bosnia the official hottest country across the XU. And I find that very fitting. We all know that Bosnians are very hot. I mean, look at Pepsi Brats. Am I right? Ladies and gentlemen and unicorns and dragons and fairies. Now, I'm feeling a bit hot under this wig and under all of this beauty and mug and makeup. So, we're gonna go to Mistress Eric Dagger to announce our last performer. Are we ready? Do we feel cool and refreshed? Because if you do not feel cool and refreshed, this next queen will surely make sure that you do.
One of my personal favorites. Mwah! Patricia will make you scream her name with passion, fashion, and the papaya obsession. She is everything you need this summer. Woo! A young queen adores juicy cocktails, muscular men, honey, call me, and stunning sunsets with dolphins that could be arranged. You all get a piece of this fruity papaya. I know I had my bite.
Tell me how do I get over you when your eyes are so Pacific view, yeah. Falling deep into Curaçao blue, and all your kisses taste like, and all your kisses taste like Malibu, and all your kisses taste like Malibu. Tell me what am I supposed to do when your eyes are so Pacific view, yeah. Falling deep into Curaçao blue, and all your kisses taste like, and all your kisses taste like Malibu, and all your kisses taste like Malibu. And all your kisses taste like I'm melting, I'm melting, I'm melting into you. I'm melting, I'm melting into you. Oh baby, you left me tingling. My nails so peach and the sea so sinking. Oh baby, I don't need anything. It's all been beachy since you came crashing in. And all your kisses taste like Malibu.
She got wet.
Mokra. Chodim po plaži.
Ja sam pa mislio da si suha.
Trepalnica mokra gor.
Trepalnica check, make-up check. Wow.
Sem plavala. I'm sorry. Hi, it's me, Patricia Vulva. Enjoy your summer. Don't forget to drink. Period. Hi, it's me, Patricia Vulva. Enjoy your summer. Don't forget to wear sunscreen and drink enough water. What's the problem?
What now, bitch?
See you. I love you.
Serve it for the camera.
This fucking bitch just brought the party house time boots all. We love, we stand. Applause in the chat. We love, we stand. Applause in the chat. We love, we stand. Applause in the chat. Applause, applause, applause in the chat. And also money in the PayPal. Also money in the PayPal. Oh, wow. Ladies and gentlemen, unicorns and dragons and everything in between, we have arrived to the end of our show. I hope you had a lovely time, and I hope you're feeling rejuvenated for the rest of the summer. If you liked any performance, if you like our queens, if you want to support our queens, don't forget to follow them on Instagram, first things first, or on Twitter, or any social media that they have. And also, if you have any money to spare, you know, you can donate to their PayPal accounts. All of the PayPal accounts are also linked down below. If you scroll a little bit lower, if you scroll a little bit lower, you're gonna see all the links to all the PayPal accounts from the girls, where you can, you know, fund the dolls so they can keep being stunning and gorgeous as they are. I want to thank you all for coming. I want to thank you all for supporting us, for being with us, for staying with us, for watching the show. Because it's really like when you guys are entertained and when you are feeling happy and joyful, this is what means the most to us. So, before the very end, I would just like to thank all of the queens who worked very, very hard to make the show happen. And I want to thank specifically Vlažena, Plastika Dynasty, and Vera Vulva for working on our amazing graphics that we presented for this show, for you guys, for making all the promo material, all the posters that you've seen on social media. Then I want to thank Eric Dagger, No Name Mess, Carmen Dash, and Nix Baudelaire for working on promoting the show, you know, making the show happen, sharing it to as much people, and working on that aspect of the show. And I also want to thank Decadenza for keeping our YouTube account safe, which, by the way, if you missed any of the shows, you can find all of them on our YouTube channel, Dragoslavia, of course. And all of our lovely performances and all of our lovely shows are documented there. So if you missed any of them, you know, that's the place to go. Yes, I didn't mute myself. I didn't fucking mute myself, okay? I mean, honey, she's stepping up. It didn't happen in the last show either. And can we also say something? Not a single crash this time either. I think that's a reason to celebrate, and I want to thank you all for coming again. And let's hear from Miss Dagger for the last time for her sign-off.
You know who the real queen is. It's the one, the only, Miss Sicey MC! And if you don't know, let me give you a lesson. Čipujme, čip, da uvek znaš gde sam i dodaj aditive u naša mesa. Uđi mi u postelju i uzmi mi sve, nek grad se sruši nama, svejedno je, mlad je i miriše na mladu spermu. Kurcima aplaudiraju, šamarima se jebu. Tvoj život fejkica, korekcija od dekice. U kom si gas, u izdušnom.
Once again, thank you all so much for coming. You make our lives better. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in 3 weeks for our next Dragoslavia show. Stay tuned for more info coming very, very soon. Miss Petra HD, Miss Lemon is signing out, and since she is the only one that recorded her sign off, let's have Miss Patricia Vulva sign you off into the better future. Love you all. Thank you so much.
Take you to the place where membership's a smiling face, but shoulders with the stars, where strangers take you by the hand and welcome you to Wonderland from beneath their Panamas. The Tropicana drinks are free, fun and sunshine, there's enough for everyone. Whoa, that's good.